What's great about this, unlike other whitening pens on the market, is that this has a unique formulation that dries very quickly on your teeth. So it forms this kind of resilient film that, you know, the first time I used it, I woke up in the morning and I saw the film, and you simply just brush it off in the morning and that is it. So I've kind of gotten into the habit, by the way, let me show you the pretty metallic finish on that. Isn't that beautiful? I've gotten into the habit of really working this into my overall nighttime kind of skincare and oral care routine. So I do my face, I brush my teeth, and I place this right on my vanity with my toothbrush so I do not forget to use it. But it's one of those things that you'll just kind of want to build into your routine, and you just paint it right on. I have to tell you, the feeling of like painting it on is very soothing. It's not often that I get to delicately kind of paint my teeth with this kind of a cool brush, but it's awesome.